Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am here at Woody's Q shop slash garage. Hey, buddy. Hi. I already petted you. Relax. You stepping on my toes? I don't want to step on anyone's toes.
Yeah, this
is Woody.
This is the front shop.
This is Woody. If anyone can guess his age, I don't know. I'll give you something. Because you won't believe how old this gentleman is. This is his shop. These are all... Tell me about this stuff.
What you're looking at there is just some of the wood that I have that I keep on hand up here. I have more out back. But these are ring sets here. This is buttstock here. And these are fronts, bird's eye maple, curly maple. And then I have parts right there for a 5-point full splice Q that I make.
Now, if someone wanted to buy one of your custom cues, where would they go?
If you just go online and go to WoodworthCustomQualityCues.com.
WoodworthCustomQualityCues.com. If you want one of Woody's custom cues, and they're beautiful. You got any finished ones you can show?
Sure. Over here.
What's the dog's name?
That's Belle.
Belle.
It's Honduras Rosewood.
Honduras Rosewood. And what's the signature there? That's you, right?
Yep. William Woodworth.
William Woodworth. Look at that beautiful wrap. Beautiful wood. Nice sheen on it. So it starts as raw wood like this up here, right?
It comes in as boards. There's a Sneaky Pete.
Here is a Sneaky Pete by Woody. Sneaky Pete it looks like a house cue.
There's a couple more. That one is made out of zircote, and the other is made out of curly maple.
Zarcote.
Zircote.
Okay. And you see he's well equipped to make you the best cue you've ever shot with. Look at all this equipment. This guy's not messing around.
Yeah.
All right.
Here's a couple of more finished cues.
Look at how beautiful these are. I like the green wrap.
Well,
that's your little logo here?
Yeah, that's my logo, the W. I either sign the cue or put the logo on it.
Right on. And what would be a decent cue? What would be the price of a decent Woodworth cue?
Usually something in the middle range, which would be around $750.
So about $750 for one of his custom made cues.
Low end, the Sneaky Pete is only $150.
Oh, you can get a Sneaky Pete for $150?
Sure.
Oh, that's a deal right there. Sneaky Pete for $150.
Right there. Now
Look at this.
That's Gaboon Ebony with leopard wood.
Gaboon Ebony with leopard wood. All right, we're getting too detailed now, man. We're just trying to make a simple video. This thing is beautiful. Oh my God.
Okay. And here's one with spalted Grenadillo from South America. And then it has the spalted Grenadillo in the points with a black and white veneer in Gaboon Ebony with a single beige veneer at the joint.
You're way over our head. Yeah, we're simple people, Woody.
Okay.
All right.
Well, you can look at the rest
So
of the cues.
give me the website one more time.
Woodworth Custom Quality Cues.
WoodworthCustomQualityCues.com, and you obviously see someone doesn't invest all his money if they don't know what they're doing. And for $150 to start off with a Woodworth Sneaky Pete and get your pool game started, get your pool career going, that's a deal. Thanks, Woody.
Okay.